Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Daisy and today we're going to learn how to customize t-shirts and fabric garments with gold foil designs using the DTF printing technique. This is a unique and different way to personalize clothing as it allows you to create high-quality metallic finishes that make your garments stand out. Join me step by step through the process so you can replicate it in your own creations. Without further ado, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. A DTF printer compatible with white ink. I use both the ProColor KA and the ProColor L1800. Foil film for DTF. This one comes in rolls. DTF powder. DTF oven, used to cure the designs. If you don't have a DTF oven, you can use a heat press. A heat press or a heat press iron to transfer the designs onto the fabric. Fabric garments to customize. This can be cotton or polyester and in any color. I'll leave the links to all the materials used in this project in the description below. Now I'm going to work on the designs that I'll be printing. For this, I'll use the RIP software that comes with the ProColored printers. The design for this technique should be simple as they need to be printed in white ink. Most single-layer designs are typically in black or other colors instead of white. But I'll show you how to print them in white ink, no matter the original color. It's very important that your designs have a transparent background. I prefer to use PNG format. Here, I already have my designs ready for printing. Since I am using an A4 DTF printer, I rotated the design so it prints at 10 inches by 5.3 inches. A good size for customizing a small t-shirt. Since the design is in black and we need to print it in white, we'll go to the top right corner, click the printer icon, then go to Properties. Here we'll see all the colors, but we don't need cyan, magenta, black, or yellow, so we'll remove them by double-clicking each one. We'll only keep the two white ink layers. After that, close the window and return to the canvas. Don't forget that once this project is finished, you need to reset the colors, or the printer will only print in white next time you need to print in color. Now, click on RIP, which opens a new window. Scroll down to ensure mirror mode is enabled, as DTF designs must be printed in mirror mode. Then click Print. I cut the foil to fit my A4 DTF printer. If you are using an A3 printer, you can use a roll, which makes the process easier and allows you for larger designs. All the products used in this tutorial in the video description below. Now that we printed the design, we'll apply the DTF powder. Sprinkle a generous amount of DTF powder over the design. Shake off the excess powder from the sheet. Cure the design using a DTF oven at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 180 seconds. If you don't have a DTF oven, you can cure the design using a heat press. Just place the design like this without applying pressure until the powder melts. Now our designs are cured and the powder has fully melted. Now let's transfer the design onto the fabric. First, I'll trim around the design for easier alignment on the garments. I'll be customizing a black t-shirt and a black fabric tote bag. Use my HTVRONT auto press. And for the tote bag, I'll use a small heat press. Press the t-shirt for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Use a lint roller to remove any dust or lint. Align the design on the t-shirt. Place a Teflon layer on top. If you don't have one, you can use white butcher paper. Press at 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds with 50 pounds pressure, if your machine has that option. After pressing, let the design cool completely before peeling off the film. Now we're going to press the tote bag. Press the tote bag for 10 seconds to remove the wrinkles. Use a lint roller to clean it. Align the design. Cover it with a Teflon layer or butcher paper. And press at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. For this one, I am using my manual heat press. Once fully cooled, carefully peel off the film to reveal the gold foil design. If you see any foil residue around the design, don't worry. You can remove it using a lint roller. Now let's reveal the t-shirt design. I wanted to show you how to press designs using both a heat press machine and a manual heat press. After peeling, if there is any foil residue, clean it with a lint roller. Then, to set the design, place a Teflon layer or butcher paper on top and press it again for 10 seconds, only 10 seconds. And here's the final results. Absolutely stunning. This is how easy it is to customize a t-shirt and tote bag with gold foil using DTF technique. As you can see, the result is incredible and gives garments a unique professional touch. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're inspired to try it in your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future tutorials. See you in my next video!